Hi, I'm Mark from the Home Depot Rental Center. When you need a pump that can quickly remove water from a work site, empty a pool, or move water containing suspended solids, we offer the Wacker-Neuson Submersible water pump. It's a highly durable pump with a lightweight, compact design that's easy to transport and install. The pump features a shaft-mounted agitator that keeps sand and debris suspended in the water for more efficient pumping. It can pump 60 gallons per minute and handle solids up to a quarter inch. As with the safe operation of any power equipment, be sure to wear the proper safety gear. Safety glasses and durable work gloves are recommended. Do not use this pump in liquids other than water, such as oil or organic solvents. And don't use in water temperatures outside the range of 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which can lead to pump failure or injury. The pump should not be used in the vicinity of explosive or flammable materials. When the pump is not used for an extended period of time, be sure to turn off the power. Deterioration of the insulation may lead to electric shock or fire. And always use the pump in the upright position. To operate the pump, first connect the discharge hose and secure the clamps. Lay the hose out as straight as possible and take care to remove any sharp twists or bends from the hose that may block the flow of water. Now, submerge the pump. To prevent the strainer from becoming clogged with mud, sand, or debris, place it on a block or other firm base. Then power the pump on by plugging it into a grounded GFCI protected power source. The pump will start as soon as power is applied. Pay careful attention to the water level while the pump is operating, and do not operate the pump when the water level is less than 3.5 inches. Dry operation can cause the pump to be damaged or malfunction. The pump may become very hot during operation. Be careful not to contact the pump directly to avoid being burned. And make sure that no extraneous objects, such as pins, nails, or other metal objects, are sucked into the pump. These can damage the pump as well as result in electrical shock. Okay, when you're finished, unplug the unit, disconnect the discharge hose, and allow the pump to cool before touching it. When you're ready to return the pump to the rental center, make sure to remove any debris from the surface and wash the pump with clean water. Then secure it in your vehicle for transporting. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rental to learn more about the best tools for your next project.